Hi, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort, filter, and work within the tabs for the Empowering Small Minnesota Communities Grants Library. First, the Grants Library consists of many different resources across different tabs. These tabs are things like the grants themselves, technical assistance, and other tools, data resources, mapping tools that you can also browse as you're searching and needing assistance with grant writing and grant ideas for your projects. And all of these are really helping communities that are looking for funding opportunities for their sustainable infrastructure projects. By navigating through the tabs at the bottom, I can highlight a few ways to sort and filter later in this tutorial, but the first thing is what tabs are at the bottom. The grants and other financial incentives are kind of the main piece of this. And consist of different rows and columns that will be broken down by funding focuses, by application deadlines, and there are notes and contact informations when they are applicable added to each grant. You can click on the links to go to the specific web page that the grant is hosted on, so that way you can learn more about applying and have direct links to the application. The next tab is technical assistance. This is more for writing and searching for grants. There's different tools that are available on the web, and that will also be broken down in this format. Data resources tab is for assistance with writing your grants and applications. If you need to find specific data trends, mapping tools, there's a good list here from different organizations that have published these out on the web. So these are all web-based tools for you to use in your grant process. There also is a spot for other resources, so things that don't really fall into the other categories that we might find helpful. There are a lot of very big funding libraries and resources that might contain other grants and other funding opportunities that you don't see on the first tab. If you want to filter, the most common ways people can filter is using the arrows at the top of each column, and you can sort, and it will apply a temporary filter on the sheet. And this way you can lump together certain categories, or another popular way is by application deadline, which just helps you to stay more relevant in your search and not spend time on deadlines that have already passed. But there is a good majority of the deadlines that are on an ongoing basis, or you might just want to check out the expired ones to see if there is anything new. We will try to update this library as often as possible with our admin staff. But there will be a form on the website that we can collect responses from. So if you do want to submit feedback, or if you know of other grants that should be on this list, feel free to fill out that form and we'll get that feedback. And we can also contact you if you have any issues while navigating the asset. Another good way to search for something in particular is to use a Control F on your keyboard, and this will allow you to find in each tab the relevant keyword that you search for. So if I wanted to search for K-12 resources, there is a few different results that pop up, and you can go through each tab and see where those keywords fall. So that way you can be more relevant in your search. If you have any questions, like I mentioned earlier, feel free to fill out that form on the website. It'll be linked underneath the Grants Library FAQ. And yeah, we look forward to hearing if you have found what you're looking for, or if we can support it in any way. This is very much a community-driven project, so we welcome all feedback and all participation. Thank you.